Hello, so today we're going to go over a couple more problems here showing you how to use Desmos. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one we see here says calculate the coordinates of the vertex of the equation. Y equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 5. And then there is the four possible answers. So I went ahead and I typed in our equation and then the four possible answers. And remember the question was asking us for the vertex. So the vertex is always the point of the equation where it shifts direction. So if we're looking here, we see where it shifts direction is this point right here. And when we typed in all of these, that point, when it comes up as the 2, -7. So that 2, -7 is our correct answer, and we can just plug it into Desmos to visually see that it's 2, -7. That's the vertex. Again, the vertex is where it shifts direction right here. So the 2, -7. Again, type your name in when you do these problems, screenshot the whole thing, and upload it. Let's take a look at the next one. Determine the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola represented by this equation. Again, we're talking about the vertex again. So I went ahead, typed in my equation and the four possible answers, and we're going to see which one is the vertex. So when I click on the vertex where it shifts direction, it's the one I typed in right here in green, -4, -3. So that is the correct answer for that one. So that's how you can solve problems like this one where it's asking for the vertex. Last one, again, it's asking for the vertex again. So just showing you how to do it again. Pause the video, type this in yourself so you can practice. Again, it shows up as the blue dot, and the blue dot over here represented -2, -5. So that's how you can use Desmos to find the vertex. You'll see problems like this on your final. So make sure you plug this in and you can use Desmos to get the answer. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to type your name in and screenshot the whole thing as your answer. Have a good day.